Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can delete all of your tweets at once on Twitter or X. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Of course, we're going to use the X app for this process. So go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store. Depends on what device you're using. Simply search for X or Twitter. Let's go ahead and make sure we have the Twitter app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly in this process. After that, I can finally quit the store. Now let's open Twitter. From here, you have to be logged into your account, obviously. And then from here, tap on the profile picture that should be at the top left corner of your screen right here. And then go ahead and tap on profile, of course, to open your profile. And from here, the first method to delete your tweets. Basically, if you have posted the tweet yourself, you can tap right here in the top right corner on those three dots and then tap on delete post right here and then confirm your decision by tapping delete again. Now, if you have reposted or basically retweeted that post, you can just tap on this button right here and you'll be asked to tap on undo repost if you want to delete it. And that is it. Now, there is no direct way of deleting all of them in one click or something like that. But there is something you can do about that. You can go ahead and open your browser and from here go to this link help.twitter.com/forms/privacy/question. Go ahead and type in this link just like that and tap on enter. You should be taken to a page that looks like this. Now right here under please tell us more. Tap right under it and select other questions about privacy or data protection. That should be at the bottom. And here you can go ahead and write your concern and basically tell Twitter that you want to delete all of your tweets and posts from your account. From here, go ahead and put in your full name and these information and tap on submit, and they should get back to you in a short amount of time. So that's basically how you can delete all of your tweets at once on Twitter or X. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.